In this screencast, I'm going to cover the basics of Evernote, what the software can do for you, how to get the software, and the basic layout of the program. Evernote is designed for note-taking and organization. Evernote's promise is that through its use, you will be able to remember everything, and on this promise, it delivers. Evernote can be accessed on desktop, web, and mobile device, and when one of these locations is added to or edited, the other locations are almost instantaneously synced. This means that wherever you go, your notes and work will be with you. Getting Evernote on your desktop is very easy. Simply go to the website, evernote.com, then click the Download Now button on the home page. From this point on, downloading Evernote is exactly like downloading any other software from the web. Once this has been done, you are ready to use Evernote on your desktop and on the web. What you can see here is the basic interface of Evernote. There are three primary ways to view this interface, which can be selected here: List, Mixed, and Thumbnail. They all provide the same information. It all comes down to preference. I will be conducting these screencasts using the mixed view. As you can see, Evernote's interface follows a simple three-column layout. The left panel contains all of your base folders for notebooks, tags, attributes, saved searches, and your trash can. The middle panel displays your notes, either all of them, notes from a specific notebook, or notes from a specific search query. The right column is where you can write new notes and edit past notes. This is where all of your work will be done. You now know the basics of Evernote. This program has a lot of features and it can do a lot for you.
In this screencast, I am going to cover notes, how to create and edit notes, and an overview of the tools you'll be using when working with notes in Evernote. An Evernote note is very similar to any word processor document. Notes can contain text, PDFs, audio, and images. Creating a new note is easy. Either click the new note icon here or use the keyboard shortcut Control-N. Opening a previous note is just as simple. Click on any note from the center panel and it will instantly open in an editable format on the right. You can click away from your note at any time with no risk of losing your information. Evernote saves the note as soon as you open another one. You begin your note by writing your title in this top bar. You also have the options of setting the notebook the note will be placed into, attaching the note to a web address, or adding tags to the note. The basic tools in the note will be familiar to anyone who has used a word processor. All of the basic tools are here: font, size, and so on. One special tool in Evernote is the checklist bullet. This allows you to create checklists that can actually be checked. You now know the basics of notes in Evernote. Thank you for watching this overview of notes.
In this screencast, I'm going to cover how to create a notebook, how to utilize notebooks, and how to stack notebooks. An Evernote notebook is essentially a folder. It contains notes of a specific type, and you can create as many notebooks as you would like. When you click on a notebook here, all of the notes it contains appear here. To create a new notebook, simply go to File and choose New Notebook, or press Ctrl-Shift-N. Alternatively, you can right-click the Notebooks tab and create a new notebook in this way. You can place a single note or several notes into a specific notebook in several ways. To put the note you are working on into a certain notebook, simply click here and choose the notebook you would like the note to be placed in. If you are placing several notes into a single notebook, simply select the uppermost note, hold Shift, and select the bottom note. Then drag and drop these notes into whichever notebook you would like. Notebooks, like folders, can be stacked within each other to allow for greater organization. To create a new notebook within an existing notebook, simply right-click the notebook of your choice and select Create Notebook In. These notebooks still function in the exact same way, but they are now stacked. You now know the basics of notebooks in Evernote. Thank you for watching this overview of notebooks, and I hope that you will check out the rest of the tutorials. In this screencast, I'm going to cover tags, what a tag is, how to use tags, and how to stack tags. Tags are an extremely useful tool in Evernote, adding a second tier of organization to your notes. Tags are a searchable attribute that can be added to your notes. They function in a similar way to notebooks. When working on a new note, it is very easy to add one or several tags. To add a tag, simply click here and type whatever you would like the name of the tag to be. If you are using a previously created tag, Evernote will autofill the name for you. You can also create a tag through the File menu or by right-clicking on the Tags tab in the left panel. Once a tag is created, it can be found here, containing all of the notes attributed to it. A tag can be added to multiple notes at once in the same way that multiple notes are added to a notebook. Simply select the notes you want to include, drag, and drop. Also, like notebooks, tags can be stacked. To create a tag within a tag, right-click the container tag and choose Create Tag. Unlike notebooks, which can only have 2 levels, tags can be stacked with as many tiers as you may need. You now know the basics of tags in Evernote. Thank you for watching this overview of tags, and I hope that you will check out the rest of the tutorials. In this screencast, I'm going to cover the capabilities of Evernote's search function and how to save your search results. Evernote's search function is very powerful and provides several features that are absent in most searches. Text in Evernote can be searched from many different sources. Evernote can search for text in the body of your notes, the names of tags, and the names of notebooks. The most impressive aspect of Evernote's search function is its ability to search for text within the PDFs and even the images you have in your notes. By using commas in the search bar to separate terms, multiple terms can be searched simultaneously. This allows you to create very specific search results. To save a search, enter your query and then click this blue arrow to the right of the search box. This will open another tab with a blue magnifying glass at the bottom. Click that and you will be able to save your search results. You now know the basics of searching in Evernote. Thank you for watching this overview of the search function. I hope that you will check out the rest of the tutorials.